Well, I got a call a couple days ago from the fellow that's trying to organize the shipping on these 10-foot logging wheels. And they do present a little bit of a problem since they're 10 foot. If they lay them flat, they're going to have to deal with permits to go across the different states. So they would like to haul them upright. And their thoughts were if they could haul them like a pane of glass, kind of lay them on an A-frame and stand them up, kind of like so. So they asked if I could come up with some kind of a pallet or a rack or frame that would accommodate this type of shipping. And then they could put them on a lowboy and keep them under that 13.5, whatever that height limitation is, to be able to ship them economically. So I had just scattered this sheep wagon, or the remnants of it, all over my floor. So I pushed things a little forward, and I think I have a spot that's big enough that I can build this frame. So I did run to town and I picked up some 8-foot 2x6s that I'm going to do the external frame with. And I also picked up a few sheets of OSB, and I've cleared out this spot here that's about 10 by 10. So I think I'm going to build an 8 by 8 square and 8 foot tall that will accommodate these wheels to lay in an A-frame. So I'm thinking I need the frame built such that it can be strapped to the bed of the trailer, and then the wheels I'll load after the rack is on the trailer, and then strap the wheels to the frame, to each other, to the trailer, and hopefully we can get these to go home. So this is the thinking behind my madness and design here. I went 8 foot square and I put these 2x6s on edge so that they will allow the wheel to sit inside and keep them from kicking out. They'll lean against this header to where I can eventually tie the 2 wheels together or tie them to the header itself. This little short stub wall will allow a strap to go across and strap this whole frame to the trailer itself. Then we can run straps through the spokes and also tie the wheels to the trailer as well as to themselves. This triangle on both ends should allow it from racking side to side, and I put these pieces of OSB so it should keep this frame from racking forward and back also. So that's my theory, how I kind of speculate maybe we can get these wheels home. It appears that this is pretty unstable, but it's mainly because of my floor. This seam right here has got kind of a peak to it, so I'm not very stable. I think as it sets on the trailer, it'll set pretty flat. And I kind of boxed myself in on my forklift. I may have to move some debris here to get it out. Possibly I'll have to slide this out to the front of the shop on the sidewalk where I can get this forklift turned around. So I really don't know what the time frame is going to be to where they'll be able to come and pick these 2 wheels up. The forecast here is we're calling for a couple inches of snow by the end of the week. So I don't know if I want to set this outside or if I leave it here. I say space is kind of a premium, but anyway, I think this will work for shipping these wheels home. Appreciate you following along, and we'll hopefully include some video of maybe getting these on the semi itself as they go home. See if my theory really works.